everybody. So I'm going to use a 6x6 card blank. So this is a piece of 6 by 12, scored halfway at 6 to make a 6x6 card blank. Your 5x6 pieces along the 5-inch length, you can do exactly the same as you did before. So you're going to go with 1.5, 3, 3 3/4, and 4.5. If you wanted to change these measurements and change them so that you have a bit more space in the middle, you could do. It just means you're going to be super skinny on the outside, that's all. Ooh, let's just open this all up for a second. And oh, hello, stick down our red tape. Right, so there's our two little wedges. Okay, so I'm going to make sure this is a 10th fold, and then this is going to go on here, this side like that, and this is going to go on that side like that. So we'll go ahead and stick those down. Right, so that is that. So then we need to go ahead and stick these on. Let's just lay this in. Yeah, that was all right. Good. My measurements were correct. As I said, you could easily change this to be like a 5.5 by 5.5. If you've got A4 or letter size and you can't do a 12 by 12, you can't do a 6 by 12, you could easily change that. Goes there like that. And then I think my butterflies are going to need to be on the sides. All right, let's cut these out. Right, so I'm thinking a butterfly there and a butterfly there. Might not need that third one. You could go all out with it, but I'm thinking just a butterfly there and a butterfly there. What do we think? I do have, don't think about it. I want that one. I think it's the wrong colour. I think less is more, as was stated earlier. So let's just bend these up a little bit. Right, let's stick this down then. I'm going to use red tape. Oh, actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to use B6000 glue because I know it sticks really well when it's, and it's nice and fine. So I'm going to use some B6000 down the middle like that. This one's going over here like that. And that one's going down the bottom. We'll go with that. So there we go. There is your 6x6 version. There's one 5x7 version. And there's the other 5x7 version. So there we go. Hooray! We got there. That didn't take too long. So thank you for joining me, everybody, and I will see you all next week. Have a good week, everyone. Bye.